So a lot of people ask the question, what do we do that's different from everybody else? We have a process that works with biology. It's not chemical, it's not mechanical, it's both. We made a breakthrough, and we now have a technology that makes a difference in wastewater. We don't have to deal with the sludge problems that the other processes deal with. We take care of sludge where it's created.
We take our airboat and we enter the lagoon. And a lot of people typically, to actually map a lagoon, they'll take 3, maybe 4 samples throughout the lagoon, make a composite sample and say this represents, the lagoon. And a lot of times we'll take, anywhere from, 50 to 100 samples depending on the size of the lagoon. And we have a grid pattern that we use all on GPS to, actually give a better footprint and a composite of what the actual lagoon is in different areas. That, along with our mapping software, we actually give you a 3-dimensional color map that shows you the contours, the problem areas, even heat areas that actually shows the biological working, and the cold areas which shows that the biology isn't. We're able to determine those problem areas and what it's going to take to make their lagoon back into compliance. Top to bottom, from front to back, side to side, we'll cover every square inch of the lagoon and make sure the biosolids are shredded to the point to where they settle out rapidly. At that point, we start initiating the degrade process. We infuse the oxidizer within our crawler through the high friction. We dissolve what particulate solids that are left. At that point, the volatile solids, the biosolids, are dissolved. The oxidizer quickly is removed through the natural oxidation process. The off-gassing is hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. And there's nothing harmful about that. And we leave you with a real fine sediment, like an ash. Once we've established that, we'll go through another mixing process to make sure that the lagoon has been totally degraded. And at the end, if a customer chooses so, we can come back in with our enhanced biology that we grow on-site, 100% viable biology. So we give you a complete biological healthy mass with a high microorganism to food ratio. Keep your lagoon healthy and working properly. These cities, they have 1,000 people, and people are wanting millions of dollars to come dredge their lagoon. The thing about hauling sludge is most of the time they figure it by dry ton, and once they meet their quota on dry tons, they just stop. That's all the money that's budgeted for it. Most of the time they're over budget. They never actually treat the whole lagoon. Our process treats the whole lagoon, and in most cases, we're 60% or even as low as 30% of the cost of typical hauling or dredging. We give capacity back up to 90-95% of your capacity to your lagoon. We've had great success stories. The G3 process works in industrial, works really good in manure, the municipal industry, and even the agriculture. We've even degraded bean waste, brewery waste, residual from chicken process plant. We've been able to go in and degrade the lagoons, and we've been very successful with it. We're a great solution to wastewater problems, lagoon problems in the industry. People seem to be very excited about what we're doing for them.